enthusiasts. I recently got a Mavic Air 2 and had a couple of flights with it, and I'm quite pleased. This new controller is primarily designed to use an iPhone, and I've never flown with an iPhone. It's just too small of a screen for me to see what's going on. So what does a person do? A number of years ago, in order to put a full-size iPad on my Phantom controller, I designed these brackets that I put on. And surprisingly, these work very well on this new Mavic controller. So if you want to use iPad, here's how I attach mine. Hold that in the middle, put that over there, and there we go. Simple. It's tight, safe, and of course, if you're going to use an iPad, you want a good hood. So I've designed this hood to go over this as well. It's also very easy to install. A couple of elastic bands hold it on. One. Two. There we go. We got the hood on. There. And that's how I fly, using this device. Using this controller, you can see in bright sunlight. It's a huge image. It's just great to fly with. It's a little bit heavy on the front end, but it's still workable.